How to use Pinterest Watch. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can use Pinterest Watch. So let's try it. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up Pinterest on your mobile phone. Now, Pinterest has actually launched its new feature known as Watch, where we can simply go ahead and watch videos like TikTok and Instagram Reels. So let me show you how you actually use Pinterest Watch. So when you go to your Pinterest, you will actually find the option of watch right above your Pinterest. But if you do not have that option, then you can actually go ahead and open up any of the video. Let's go ahead and open this one up. You can see right here that this is a short video. And now, just like TikTok, all I have to do is simply scroll up and the new videos will appear. Using Watch is really similar to Instagram Reels and TikTok. You simply scroll up and then new videos are shown. We have this option right here, which is like, which allows us to like a video. We can share a video and post a comment as well. If you want to save a video, you can simply click on the save option. And if you want to follow the creator, then you can go ahead and click on follow and you will be able to follow them. Simply go back and then you can also use Pinterest as you usually do. There will be posts as well. So this is how you simply use Pinterest Watch. If I was a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.